Today we are going to learn about setting up A/B tests with Google Optimize. You will discover step by step how to configure A/B tests using this platform and gain practical skills in setting up and managing experiments. Welcome to our video on setting up A/B tests with Google Optimize. Google Optimize is a powerful tool that allows you to run experiments on your website, helping you understand what works best for your audience. It integrates seamlessly with other Google products, such as Google Analytics, making it a preferred choice for marketers and developers. In this video, we will guide you through the entire process of setting up A/B tests, from creating an account to interpreting results. Whether you're new to A/B testing or looking to refine your skills, this video will provide you with the practical knowledge you need. To start using Google Optimize, you first need to create an account. Visit the Google Optimize website and sign in using your Google account. If you have not linked your Google Analytics account, you'll need to do so for a seamless setup. Once logged in, click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set up your account. Make sure to link it to your Analytics account for better data synchronization. Next, you'll need to create a new experiment. Click on Create Experiment and provide a name for your experiment. Choose the website container you want to use for the test. Familiarize yourself with the interface, which includes areas for setting objectives, configuring variants, and analyzing results. This foundational step is crucial as it sets the stage for your A/B testing journey. Before diving into the technical setup, it's essential to define clear objectives for your A/B test. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with this experiment? It could be increasing click-through rates, reducing bounce rates, or boosting conversions. Once your objectives are clear, select the metrics that will help you measure success. Google Optimize allows you to track various metrics, such as page views, session duration, and specific conversion actions. Align these metrics with your business goals to ensure the experiment is meaningful and actionable. Remember, the success of your A/B test heavily relies on having well-defined, measurable outcomes. Take the time to think through this step, as it will guide the entire testing process.
Choosing the right audience is pivotal in A/B testing. Start by identifying your target audience based on demographics, behavior, or any specific criteria relevant to your test. Google Optimize offers robust audience targeting features that allow you to define who sees the experiment. Once your audience is set, decide on traffic allocation. This means determining how much of your audience will see the original version versus the variation. A common practice is a 50-50 split, but depending on your objectives, you might want to skew this. The key is to ensure a representative sample that provides reliable data. By carefully selecting your audience and allocating traffic, you set the foundation for a valid and insightful experiment. With your objectives and audience set, it's time to configure variations. Variations are different versions of the web page you want to test. Google Optimize provides a visual editor that allows you to make changes without any coding skills. You can test various elements such as headlines, images, buttons, or layouts. Simply click on the element you want to change and apply your desired alterations. If you're comfortable with code, you can also make HTML, CSS, or JavaScript modifications. Once your variations are ready, preview them to ensure they look and function as intended. This step is crucial as it directly impacts the user experience and data accuracy of your test. One of the significant advantages of using Google Optimize is its seamless integration with Google Analytics. By linking the two, you gain access to a wealth of data that provides deeper insights into user behavior. To integrate, ensure your Google Analytics account is linked to Google Optimize. Once connected, you'll be able to track more advanced metrics and analyze data comprehensively. This integration allows you to see how variations perform in terms of user engagement, conversion rates, and other critical metrics. Understanding these insights helps you make informed, data-driven decisions about your experiment, ultimately optimizing your website's performance. After running your experiment, it's time to interpret the results. Google Optimize provides a detailed report showing how each variation performed. Look for metrics such as conversion rates, bounce rates, and session duration. It's important to understand statistical significance, which indicates whether the results are due to the changes made or just random chance. A statistically significant result gives you confidence in your findings. Identify the winning variation, the one that meets your objectives most effectively. Use these insights to make informed, data-driven decisions about your website. Whether it's implementing the winning variation or iterating on the experiment, the goal is to continuously optimize your website based on solid data. Even with careful planning, you may encounter common setup issues in Google Optimize. One of the typical challenges is integration problems, especially if your Google Analytics account isn't properly linked. Double-check your account settings to resolve this. Another issue might be incorrect traffic allocation, leading to skewed results. Ensure your traffic split is as intended. Sometimes, variations may not display correctly. Check your browser settings and clear cache to fix this. Lastly, ensure all tracking scripts are correctly implemented to maintain data accuracy. By troubleshooting these common issues, you ensure a seamless and reliable A/B testing experience. To ensure A/B testing success, adhere to best practices. Start with clear, well-defined objectives that align with your business goals. Focus on testing one element at a time, as testing multiple elements can lead to misleading results. Ensure you have a large enough sample size to achieve statistical significance. A small sample may not accurately reflect user behavior. Run your tests for an adequate duration to account for variations in user traffic and behavior over time. Finally, be prepared to iterate based on your findings. A/B testing is an ongoing process of refinement and optimization. By following these best practices, you enhance the effectiveness and reliability of your testing efforts.
To illustrate the real-world application of Google Optimize, let's explore a case study. A leading e-commerce company faced challenges with cart abandonment. They set up an A/B test to determine if simplifying the checkout process would increase conversions. Using Google Optimize, they created variations of the checkout page, removing unnecessary fields and streamlining the process. After running the test for 4 weeks, they observed a significant increase in conversions by 15%. This case study highlights the importance of identifying specific challenges, implementing strategic changes, and analyzing results to drive business improvements. The lessons learned emphasize the value of data-driven decision-making and continuous optimization. Google Optimize offers advanced features and customization options to enhance your testing capabilities. Explore custom targeting options to deliver personalized experiences to users based on behavior, location, or device. Leverage personalization strategies to create tailored content that resonates with individual users. Utilize custom scripts for more complex experiments, allowing you to test beyond the standard visual changes. These advanced features enable you to optimize user experience and achieve more precise results. By incorporating these options into your A/B testing strategy, you can push the boundaries of website optimization and deliver impactful, personalized experiences. In conclusion, setting up A/B tests with Google Optimize empowers you to make data-driven decisions and enhance your website's performance. We've covered the key steps, from creating an account and defining objectives to interpreting results and troubleshooting common issues. A/B testing is a continuous process of optimization, allowing you to refine your website based on user behavior and preferences. Remember, the insights gained from these experiments are invaluable in driving business success. We encourage you to start testing today and unlock the potential of your website with Google Optimize. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing the impact of your A/B tests.